Hello, friends. My name is Anamika, and I'm here to share with you my uh, affiliate linking and affiliate marketing journey. And I have brought a product with for you. It's called Traffico, and Traffico is Frankie's way of generating free traffic and loads of commission using sneaky Facebook tricks. This also comes with a video marketing software that will ensure the maximum amount of money in your subscriber's pocket. Guys, we are always talking about money, 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 and how to make money, and we keep hearing as to online money making is so easy, but when we actually start doing it, it's very tough. It's very confusing and overwhelming. Now, Traffico takes away that overwhelm. It makes it very, very easy with it because it provides you access to powerful Traffico software and training modules. So that there's simple 5 videos of training modules, so that it makes the traffic towards your product very easy. Now, it has a front end bump. Let me explain to you the actual product. It's got unlimited edition. It removes all limitation on the Traffico software, which comes with the FE members area. It releases the full power of our exclusive software for one-time only fee. Unlimited searches, unlimited leads, unlimited income. This is a one-time opportunity, guys, available only on this checkout page. And this offer will never be repeated again. Now, let me explain to you further what are the key benefits that you may be interested in getting. Number one, 100% traffic. Number one, 100% traffic free, 100% free traffic. It runs on autopilot. It siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. New software monetizes traffic on autopilot. 100% legal. One-click setup. Brand new method. It is a newbie friendly method. Massive potential. It starts earning as early as, it can help you start earning as early as today. And it has a 100% money back guarantee. And all this is covered, as I said, in a no question asked 30-day money back guarantee. Now, before I take you to the buyers and the vendors bonuses, I would like to share the 2 bonuses that I come if you use my link below and buy it from my affiliate link. My bonus is how to build let me take you to that page. Yes, how to build a buyers list with Traffico. Which is of course exclusive bonus that I'm providing to you. And one of the thing it provides is method to add bonus delivery link to the Warrior Plus or the JVZoo account so that your customers can access it. It shows how to add a squeeze page so that when people access their bonus, they are directed to the false opt-in page. My second bonus is a secret weapon using Traffico. This will show you a nifty, crafty way to use information from the affiliate psycho to build your buyers list. Now, we have other bonuses also, which is build your buyers list while profiting from Jono Armstrong. We also have another bonus from Jono Armstrong, who's also my mentor in this affiliate marketing journey, and how to access Nova and all the upsells. It values for $267 and it's free if you buy this product. Then the next one, special bonus if you take action today, which has got all the vendors bonuses here. And you can click the button now to claim your free insane bonus package before the time hits out. So these are the things that would be available to you. And other than that, you also have upsell 1 from the vendors list. I just showed it to you. Yeah, this one. Now there is an upsell 1, which is a gold one, which is for $27. In this upgrade, we spill the beans and reveal additional methods for the buyer to double the profit with the Traffico system. Then we have done for you, which shows to you which gets you closer to the Frankie's best high converting campaigns. You can just copy paste these battle tested campaigns to save your time and increase commission. Then you have upsell 3, which has got unlimited traffic. These are all a part of the vendors bonuses. And then we have upsell 4, which is reseller's license, where you steal Traffico and sell it as your own. This product has taken months to develop and thousands of dollars has been spent creating all the sales material, tens of hours spent to record all the videos. Buyers of this upgrade will enjoy guaranteed affiliate approval and an automatic commission bump on this awesome high converting funnel while we handle all the support. So as you can see, guys, that this is an awesome package if you for the new marketers who are struggling. We also have another upsell 5 here, Profit Blast Off, which is really done with you system, where you jump on a live call with one of our team members so that we can do all the hard work for you. Customers who are tired of doing it alone will love this upgrade. And then we have a VIP bundle, which has got access to some of our recent best-selling digital products at a one-time low cost. Something like Bankroll, Shortify, Dynamic, The Secret, Influx Reloaded, and so on and so forth. So guys, have a fun time, buy this product, and make your dream come true of making money online. See you soon on the inside of the page, and see you soon with my other product reviews. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it gave you some idea about this product called Traffico. Enjoy buying and enjoy making money. Bye for now.